Next exercise 97 and starting. The various rooms in British Museum are the resorts of the theologian and geologist, the historian and the scholar in every department of science and art. Full stop. There are to be found relies for the Assyrians, the Babylons and other ancient nations long since passed away. Full stop. Wonderful specimens of beautiful Indian and other Oriental arts and crafts, miscellaneous ornaments, ingeniously carved and showing the most delicate work and loveliest imagination of the artist are to be seen in the museum. Full stop. No wonder what it exercises a great attraction for the visitor to London. Full stop.